Yo, what is going on guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In this video we're gonna design the software of the marketplace that we're gonna build. So in this video we're gonna go through all the technologies, languages and stuff like that we're gonna be using to build this marketplace from scratch. So we're gonna go over the front end, the back end and the database and overall the design of the system. So let's get started. So first of all, we can start with the front end, and then I'll just make other headings for the back end and database as well. And for the front end, we're actually going to be using React.js. And for this project, we're going to be using Next.js. I guess Next.js isn't really a backend framework, but yeah, even though Next.js isn't really a backend framework, this is actually going to be a serverless infrastructure on the project. But I guess we can just put here that it's a meta framework. And then for the database, we're probably going to be using MongoDB because it's scalable, it's a document database, it's super fast and stuff like that. For the database, I am actually going to be using something called Prisma as well. So basically, Prisma under the hood runs actually SQL. And this means that we can do some changes on the database if we want to as well. But for now, so basically this is the design of the marketplace software right here. So on the front end, we're actually going to be using React.js. And on the back end, well, I guess Next.js really is not a backend framework. It's a meta framework for React. And as a whole, this will be a serverless design, but we'll just call it a backend for now. And then this application right here also stores data into the MongoDB database, which is right here. And we're going to be using Prisma as a ORM. And I guess I can add in the front end that we're probably going to be using Tailwind to style our application. And then there might also actually be a need for a file storage system as well, if I'm not going to be storing images and stuff like that onto the MongoDB right here. So I'm just going to put this file storage here as well, which is for images, etc. So basically it's right there. And also this application uses the file storage. For now, I'll just put this into a parentheses because our first step really is to create this application with the front end and back end and with the MongoDB database. And then we can also go through the design of the site itself. And this site is basically going to have a few different pages. At first, there will be the front page, of course. And on this front page, this will basically be the landing page, I should say. This is only going to contain some information about the site and stuff like that. And then after that, probably the most important thing on the site is going to be the site that lists the properties themselves. So basically that's a listings page like this. And on the listings page, there will be some sort of filters right here, probably on the left side, I guess. And then there will, of course, also be the listings themselves. And then here on the bottom, there will be some sort of a pagination, different pages and stuff like that. But anyways, that's basically the design for that. And then, of course, we will need to have also a page for adding a listing. And perhaps even before that, actually, let's put that on the side. And then here, I guess there will be a page for a single listing. So basically, if the user clicks a listing right here, it will take the user to a page of the single listing. And on the single listing page, there will be pictures right here, and then some info and text about the page, and of course, then also the financial information or even a calculator right here. And then on this single listing page, I guess here on the side, I guess there could be a button to add a listing. So then we can just move this right here, and there will be a page to add a listing. And yeah, this page will basically just be a form with some text inputs and some file inputs and stuff like that. And then a button to send it, of course. So basically, this is the design of the application itself. Of course, here on the front page, there will be a login functionality and a register functionality. So I guess I could probably just add a login slash register page right here. And that'll also basically just be a form like that. So basically, guys, this is the design for the application. So front end with React and Tailwind, we're also going to be using Next.js, and we're going to be using MongoDB as the backend and a possible file storage. And then the design of the site is quite simple, to be honest. So there will be a front page, and which basically landing page, and there will be the listings page, which is basically the most important page of the site. There will be a page for single listings for each individual listing, and then of course a page to add a listing and a page to log in or register onto the website. So this is it basically, guys. And on the next video, we're going to be starting to implement this. And if you want to see content like this, and especially on the next videos when we're actually going to start coding this out, please stay tuned for that. Leave a like if you like this type of content, comment down below what you think, and subscribe also. But yeah, this is all for now, guys. Peace!